Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. From this video series, I am just going to start practicing some programs in C++. The first 10 videos will be based on some practice programs to practice input-output statements in C++. The task 1 is to write a program that prints a text of 4 lines consist of characters, integer values and floating point values using cout statements. So let's start writing the program using dev C++. Task number 2 is to write a program that takes radius of sphere from user as input and it calculates circumference and surface area using the formula given below. The answer of the area and circumference should be up to 3 decimal digits. So let's start writing this program in C++. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.